You're welcome. Yeah, I could. Now go sell that and get you something nice, kid. Hope he's not friends with that dog. Guy. Listen here, you thread. You messed with the wrong raccoon. I did nothing wrong. I'm just trying to do my job. You dog, what's made you so angry towards us? Thanks for the ability boost. I will find the rarest fruit in your garden.
I worked here all day, giving someone rare seeds, just for the wasp being a better pet than me. Hey, who are you?
I'm a raccoon, and I steal fruits. Would you mind telling me, what is the most rare fruit here?
I remember a candy blossom that's heaven gold, windstruck, shocked, moonlit, and wet mutation.
Do you know where it is? It's okay if you don't know. I could find it myself.
I think it's at the back of this garden.
Thanks for informing me. But I should tell you, your owner is evil because he's attacking another person in the game.
I know. Even though he feeds me, he loves the wasp more than me. Anyways, I had a plan to escape.
Your ability is very good. Like, oh my Roblox. You can dig up rare fruits.
I think yours is even cooler. You can steal fruits? I had never heard of a pet that could do that.
Hey, what's your name? My name is Buster.
My name is Bella. Such a common name, right? Also, you may want to start finding that candy blossom.
Okay, but one more thing. We should be friends. And when all of this is over, we could hang out.
Sounds good to me.
I'm back. Hey, Bella.
Hey Buster, I'm glad to see you again.
I'm so sorry about your old owner. I can't believe the favoritism in that garden.
It's okay. It's not your fault. Now that the guy got banned, I won't have to see that wasp.
Glad to hear that. Now our owner is going to be a billionaire. Imagine all the food we can get. What happened?
Why are mangoes your favorite fruit?
Because they are very sweet. Also, they was my first fruit to be stolen and fed.
I never had one before. My old owner never gave me one. Even though he had a lot, I still didn't got one.
You're in luck. Once our owner comes back, he will get us some.